Welcome to our channel. In this tutorial, we will measure heart rate and SpO₂ levels using MAX30100 sensor with NodeMCU ESP8266. We will discuss the issue that occurs if the MAX30100 is not properly configured. We will need a NodeMCU microcontroller, a breadboard, the MAX30100 pulse oximeter sensor and few jumper wires. Connect the MAX30100 sensor with NodeMCU as follows. SDA pin goes to D2, SCL pin goes to D1. Connect VCC to 3.3 volt and ground to ground. Open the Arduino IDE, select the correct board and port, upload MAX30100 code. Once uploaded, open serial monitor to view the live readings. If we don't properly configure calibrate MAX30100 sensor, it can show incorrect or fake values. When I place my fingertip on a MAX30100 sensor, it calculates and displays my heart rate and SpO₂ levels in real time.